So we've been driving through the mountains of Sedona now. I'm gonna go through the Expedition 500 and show you exactly step by step what we need to do. So the first step of this is going to make sure that the Expedition 500 is leveled. We're going to go ahead and go to the front of the jockey wheel, get that down, as well as get the stabilizing legs down on all four sides. You can go to the airbag on either side and either raise or lower that. Then you're going to go ahead and put the key in and drop this front leg. So we have stabilizing legs on all four corners of the trailer. We're going to go ahead and drop all of those. Once that's, in place, we can go ahead and jack this up a little bit more, get it off of the hitch of the truck if that's something that you want to do for your trip, and then you can go ahead and drop these down all the way. Once everything's stabilized, your legs are down, you're ready to go, you're going to go ahead and pull these safety pins out of this guy right here. That way the entire cab of the Expedition 500 can raise up and you're ready to go in and get to sleep. Sorry, I'm just stretching. I'm just stretching my quads and my hammies next to the Expedition 500. Yeah, look at those pink socks. That's right. Now that the trailer is all set and the body is up, you're able to go into the back and start camping.